Do you know there's a crucial element in the brain called the synapse? A synapse is a really tiny connector in the brain through which information flows from one neuron to another. And this is crucial because it determines everything. Synapses can immensely determine a child's mental strength and abilities. It is responsible for their thinking, learning, and overall brain development. The good news is they grow at an alarming rate during a child's early years. If one thing is done right, it's got everything to do with the positive and creative engagement your child receives during their early years. Flintoclass, an award-winning preschool program, is designed to do exactly that. This research-backed program provides maximum engagement and brain stimulation during the first 6 years of a child's life. With Flintoclass, your child will get exposure to 575 unique multisensory experiences in a single year, while also boosting their physical, cognitive, social, and emotional development.